Всем привет! Вы на канале Таша и Ярик, и сегодня я буду лепить чаки.
On the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Done with my own doubts.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
'cause I told you what I did last night. I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. 'Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets. Telling black guys to keep them.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring us sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. we soar away among the clouds.
Вот и готов мой Чаки, ну или Бадди, как его теперь в новом фильме будут звать, я не знаю. Это вы мне пишите в комментариях. Фильм вышел вчера на российские экраны. Называется он «Детские игры». Ну, что касается меня, я хоррор-фильмы не смотрю. Новая версия Чаки отличается от старой куклы Чаки. Ну, вот такой вот рыжик. Ну, а привет в этом видео хочу передать каналам Гибсон Фандоровский, Виталя Панов и Бравл Старс Брок. Ребята, вам всем огромный привет. Ну, а если вам понравилось это видео и эта фигурка, ставьте лайки, подписывайтесь на канал Таша и Ярик, не забывайте нажимать на колокольчик, чтобы не пропустить мои новые видео. Ну и с вами была Таша, всем пока-пока.